Hello guys! Welcome to the first lesson of the course Twitter Marketing Hero. In this lesson, we're going to talk about what Twitter is. Let's get started. Twitter is a social media platform where people can share news, photos, and short videos as tweets. When it was developed, Twitter allows 140 characters when sending tweets. This was created based on the number of characters SMS-based platforms send messages. Around 2017, Twitter began testing adding characters in one tweet. People spend time editing their tweet just to fit the shorter 140 character limit. Compared to having 280 character limit, Twitter found out that people who are using the 280 character limit tweeted more often and they crafted their messages easily than trying to fit their thoughts in 140 characters. It also has led to more engagements on tweets. Twitter has over 330 million active users and more people are joining every day. More than 150 million Twitter users use this platform to share their tweets on a daily basis. People who send tweets every day account for 500 million tweets. Businesses can take advantage of this huge number of target audience. A lot of your targeted users are already on Twitter every day. You can reach your potential customers effectively if you have a strong presence on Twitter. Imagine finding new leads and finding new customers when people retweet your posts. It's possible if you build a strong presence on Twitter and get the following your business aspires for. 85% of small businesses use Twitter as a platform to provide customer service. People can easily send their tweets as public posts, and Twitter users anywhere in the world can view different customer concerns about any businesses they have dealt with. Businesses can provide faster customer replies privately using direct message on Twitter. People want to get their issues to be resolved right away, so it's a good practice to have someone manage your business Twitter account to respond to your customer's concern right away by offering what you can do about their concerns. Although Twitter can be used to spread negative tweets, you should take care of your customers so they won't find any reason to spread bad feedback regarding your services. One bad review can affect your potential customers as they read a random unsatisfied customer feedback. People don't want to experience inconvenience, and this can greatly affect one's promotion of their business. On the good side, Twitter can be used to easily follow, connect with brands, big companies, communities, media, artists, and musicians that people love to follow. You have no limit on the number of users that you want to follow, and they're following you. 70% of Twitter users use the platform to get updated with the latest news because it's easy to browse and read shorter information regarding news of what's happening worldwide and the current trends that people can learn about. Now that you know what Twitter is, we can now proceed to the next topic, which is Twitter Web. I'll see you there. Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about the Twitter Web. Let's get started. Twitter can be accessed using your computer and also your mobile phone. Let's check out Twitter Web. Using your web browser, go to twitter.com and log into your Twitter account. Once you're logged into your Twitter account, you'll be able to see your Twitter feed with the posted tweets of Twitter accounts that you're currently following. Whenever someone from the Twitter users that you're following posts new tweets, you will see a notification in this section to see new tweets. As you can see, Twitter users can share photos even without sharing any thoughts and just posting photos or videos plus hashtags. If you follow any media on Twitter, you can be updated with the current news and updates, then you'll be able to see photos or videos that you can view at your most convenient time. Twitter will base these suggested users similar to the Twitter users that you are currently following or with the same interest as yours. In this section, you can use the search box to look for keywords for topics or hashtags on Twitter. You will see results in your feed with a keyword or hashtag that you search for. You can choose from these tabs with the results of your keyword search. You have the option to view the top results and browse from these tweets. You can also view the latest tweets based on your keyword search. You can see here that the search results can also return tweets with the @username included in the tweet and hashtags. Next, you can click on the People tab, where you can view people having a matched Twitter username that you searched for. This is useful whenever you want to look for people or any Twitter users and follow them easily. Just keep on selecting the follow button until you have added all the Twitter users that you want to add. Next, we can also view the Photos tab. As you browse on these results, you may notice that each tweet has photos uploaded together with their tweet related to your keyword search. As you can see on each tweet, your keyword match will be displayed as a bold text, so it will be easier to see the keyword matching our search. If you click on videos, you will be able to see short videos of users who uploaded this type of media. On each video, you will see the duration of the video, and you may notice that it shows a countdown of the video length. You can also see how many times each video has been viewed by Twitter users. You may notice that some videos play in a loop, so you don't have to click the play button just to view a video. This video is less than 2 minutes long, and it's a short clip of a highlighted part of a news interview. This type of video is useful for people who want to check out a clip of news, but don't have the time to watch the whole video about this topic. You can also filter your searches in this section to view search results from anyone or only from the people you follow, and the location anywhere in the world or just the area near you. Here you can explore more options with the features that Twitter offers. We'll be discussing more about these features later in the next chapters. Twitter users can get updated with the news and updates of the people that they follow on Twitter. They can see any media posted as tweets. They can even view photos and watch shorter videos on Twitter using the web app. Now we can proceed to the next topic, which is the Twitter mobile. I'll see you there. Hello guys. In this lesson, we're going to talk about the Twitter mobile. In the previous lesson, we've talked about the Twitter web. Now let's access Twitter using our mobile phone. Twitter is available on Apple mobile phones and also on Android mobile phones. If you use an Apple mobile device, you can download the Twitter app using the App Store. If you're using an Android mobile phone, you can download the Twitter app using the Play Store. Once you have downloaded the app, you can see the open button here. Click on it. If you haven't created an account on Twitter yet, you can click the Create Account button, then input your details in this section. Just follow the steps so you can have a Twitter account. For now, let's log into my Twitter account. Click the login link here. Input the phone, email, or username, then the password. Then click Login. When you use a Twitter mobile app for the first time, you might see a notification like this. It just informs you that Twitter collects and stores your device's location, like your GPS information. If you want to allow Twitter, click OK, or else click Not Now. The first thing that you will see on your Twitter app is your Twitter feed. You will see the tweets that the Twitter users you are following have posted recently as you browse your Twitter feed. You can view short videos that they have posted, and in this tweet, you can see that the video is 30 seconds long. By default, videos will play in a loop. You can even pin this video to your screen, and you'll see this pop-up window asking you to draw over other apps. So you can watch this video on top of other apps while you're browsing. You can click Not Now or Continue to allow Twitter to draw over other apps. The video is now on top of our Twitter app. You can even drag it anywhere on your screen. You can see here that this video has been viewed 1 million times since it was posted. Some people replied to this tweet, retweet it, and like this tweet. You can also share this tweet with other apps that you have on your mobile phone, like WhatsApp, Viber, Snapchat, Skype, Facebook, and more. You can see tweets where other Twitter users have replied to a tweet. In this example tweet, you can see that this Twitter user has replied to this tweet. You can also see on the top of each username who liked a tweet recently. As you scroll down, you may see photos shared as tweets that you can learn something from. This example photo is an educational photo that we can get back to later if we have the time to view it. We have the option to save it on our mobile phone. You may notice that more people are posting tweets with shorter videos as it gets more views compared to plain text tweets or photos. This video has 1 million views and it is less than 30 seconds long. If you're following news on Twitter, it's easy to browse your Twitter feed and get the latest news about what's happening right now. You can even view a thread of users who have replied and sent comments on this tweet. Threads can create a way to communicate with other Twitter users in public using tweets. In the mobile app, you can also view suggested Twitter users that you can follow in this section. These suggested users are based on your activity and the tweets that you liked, popular Twitter users near you, and you can follow them here as you click the follow button. You can also see some suggested Twitter users that you might be interested in. It's easy to follow users on Twitter. Just tap on the follow button of the users that you want to follow and see their tweets. Below, you can see the home button, which will allow you to see your Twitter feed, the search icon to type in keywords for tweets that you want to check out, and you can also see the top results, latest results, people on Twitter, photos and videos that match the keyword that you search for. When you click on this icon, you can even filter your searches to view tweets from anyone or only the people you follow, and with location, you can choose to view tweets anywhere and just locally near you. As you click the search icon, you can also view the trends from the location that you have set here. If you want to choose a different location, just tap on the settings icon and tap on the trends location and choose or search for a specific country that you would like to follow trends, or you can choose worldwide. The bell icon allows you to view notifications from the Twitter users you are following, or if you have recently logged into your account from a new device, it notifies you here. If someone mentions you in their tweets, you may see it here. This icon allows you to send direct messages to anyone on Twitter, or you can also tap on this icon to send a new message. If you tap on your profile photo on the upper left section of your mobile app, you can view Twitter menus here, such as your profile, lists, topics, bookmarks, moments, follower requests, settings and privacy, and you can also create a new account here and add an existing account. When you click this icon, you can set a dark mode theme on your Twitter app without accessing the settings menu. This icon allows you to see the latest tweets or click it again to change the setting. That is how easy you can navigate and use your Twitter app using your mobile phone. We can now proceed to the next topic, which is the benefits of using Twitter for your business. I'll see you there. Hello guys, in this lesson, we're going to talk about the benefits of using Twitter for your business. Let's get started. Twitter has a huge number of users that small businesses or medium businesses can take advantage of the huge market opportunity. Your potential customers can be one of the active users on Twitter. People use the platform to post tweets, browse and share tweets from the people they follow. They can discover new things on Twitter that they won't be aware of if they haven't browsed through their Twitter feed. Twitter can increase your brand awareness. Creating one tweet a day will not make a huge difference in letting people know about your business. You must craft and plan your content that will allow Twitter users to be intrigued as they see your content. You're trying to reach a huge audience on Twitter who might be interested in the products or services that you offer. Researching your competition can also educate you about what they are doing that works for them. Don't copy them, but get an idea of what you can improve on that they are lacking. By following your competitors, you will be able to know how your target audience can discover your brand. Twitter will be able to suggest your brand to your target audience for your target audience to follow you, since they are interested in the same industry as your competitor. Remember to create content that can attract more people to follow you and check out your brand. Break the communication barrier. Twitter allows people to reply to other people's tweets even if they don't follow them. This removes the barrier of messaging people only when you are already connected, like other social media platforms. On Twitter, you can enjoy replying on tweets privately or send comments to other tweets that can also be viewed as a thread. This can allow big brands to receive messages from anyone who would like to make suggestions on how the company can improve on their products. You can create more products with the features that your customers are looking for. Offer fast customer service. Your Twitter account for your business can be a platform that your customers can use to send you tweets about their concerns with the products or services of your business. People are busy that they don't have the time to call your business number and inform you about their concerns and ask about what you can do about it. They want an instant answer and a reply from you. Also, they would prefer to communicate with you the faster way, which is what Twitter offers. They can send you tweets in real time. It's best to have someone manage your Twitter account for you so that your customers' concerns are dealt with right away. Customers would love that. If you want to provide great customer service, you must find a way to deal with issues and get back to your customers with a solution that they are waiting for. This will help make your customers satisfied with their services. Get reviews for your products or services. Satisfied customers can tweet about how they liked your products or services and even upload photos or videos regarding their experience on your product. They want to share this great product with people who can also benefit from using the products that you offer. Gathering positive feedback and reviews from satisfied customers who have used your products or services will help your business attract potential customers and convert them to regular customers, therefore increasing your sales. Also, if you have great customer service, this will also add up to the great feedback from customers as you are concerned with the customer satisfaction rather than just selling your products and services. It's great to have a Twitter account for your business. You can promote your business on Twitter and more people can discover your business as people share and retweet your content. You have a global reach on Twitter. This increases your chances of attracting more potential customers and convert them to buying your products and services, which can increase your sales. It's also an opportunity for your business to provide great customer service to your customers, and it's also free to use.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.